Yeah. All right.
If we take your circuits, you have your 8 batteries with negative and positive for all. We have made this just to protect, but we don't need it. But that's more good work. Look at this.
Yeah.
We have make special fixation to don't have movement on the batteries. And if you want, you have air under the batteries. So we can have a circulation of air to refresh it. But if you touch, it's cold.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
No problem about air circulation because you have air by ear, and we have directly an evacuation for the water directly down.
Okay.
Under the platform for the batteries.
Okay.
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 If you want to see more simple, you have a little cable look like this on all batteries.
Okay.
And if you want, you have this connector.
Okay.
If I open this connector, it look like a problem of batteries, and we go to see what she can do.
Okay.
You have nothing on the 230? When and is very important.
No, I don't believe I do.
Okay.
Yeah.
We cut. Up. Tac. The BMS is in default.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
He say we have a problem with one batteries. You go to give an information at the Serbo GX.
Okay.
And after, if you want, we continue to discharge, but for the moment, you see, we have a problem. I don't know if he kept or not. I check. Up. Cut completely the system.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
That's what if we have a problem with one batteries, that's what we can have.
Okay.
And you're going to have this tension of cell very low. Okay.
Okay.
That's what he give of information, because all cells can't speak. If you want, that's one cell, and if you lose one cell, you cut automatically.
Okay.
To say, oh, I have a problem. The first step for you is opening here to see if you have a fuse was burned.
Okay.
Okay.
Is there spare fuses here
I'm
somewhere?
going to give you, yeah.
Okay.
And if you don't see problem with the fuse, you can come on batteries by batteries to see if you have a problem, because they are all in Bluetooth mode.
Okay.
Okay, and you can come on your phone to say, I have a problem with one batteries. What you can do after you have determined the problem with these batteries.
Yeah.
You say that's the number
6, maybe?
I think that's the 4.
4.
I'm going to say you. Number 4. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay.
You say that's the number 4. You check on the wiring. You see battery 4 here.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
You open here. You disconnect the fuse.
Okay.
If you want here, you see that's the number 4. You just take here the cable.
Yeah.
Disconnect the cable. Reconnect at the number 5. If you want.
So just bypasses.
You
that
bypass
one.
these batteries and your system will start automatically.
Perfect. Okay.
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 That's why we don't have fixed this connector, because if you have a problem, it's possible.
Right. Yeah.
You
yeah.
can quickly remake your system on.
Perfect.
Okay.
Great.
And now he receives the batteries.
Oh, it comes back itself.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Very simple.
Yeah, that's great.
Yeah. If you want, I explain you all.
Mm-hmm.
This cable, if you want, these batteries come here. Okay. With this cable.
Okay.
That's look like this.
Yeah.
After this battery come here, look like this.
Yeah.
And the last come on the other side.
Understood.
If you want, that's a completely
Circuits.
Circuits.
Yeah.
Okay.
Perfect.
Up the same. if you see you have a problem with the multiplus, that can be the fuse inside.
Okay.
If you want one part, have one fuse all time.
Okay.
I've made this on all of your boats.
Okay.
When you have a system of charge of discharge, you have a fuse.
Okay.
Before and after, if it's in 12 for the Orion, you have a fuse for the 12 volt parts and a fuse for the 24 volt parts. Okay.
All right.
Inside this box, that's just a junction box.
Okay.
That's to make the parallel mode for the two multiplus.
Okay.
If you see 3 wiring here, that's because I have made all cable on this, but I just use 2 cable on the 3. But I have made the cable on spare on the 230 parts.
Okay.
I go to explain you this after, but
Okay.
if you want, that's what is very important. It's this cable need to be at the same length of this,
Right.
and the same length of this. That's why we have more spare cable inside.
I understood.
if you
Yeah.
see.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
And same for the 230 parts.
Okay.
The cable have the same length to come inside, and after go on your 230 parts at the back of the boat.
Okay.
Okay. But here, you don't need to touch. You don't need to touch nothing. Okay.
Hopefully
Because
not.
you have the control directly at the chart table with the touch 70. Okay.
Okay.
Because here you don't need to make off. You can buy the panel.
Ah. Okay.
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 And when you're on your boat, you stay all time on mode.
On what? Sorry.
On mode.
On. Okay. Yeah.
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 On mode.
Yeah.
If you come on your inside, you make material here, and it's coming and cut this. If you want, I have make on the setting that's not 2 piece but 1 piece on the software.
Okay. I don't think I understand. Maybe.
If you want, when you see the material, you have 2 material.
Two.
Two multiplus. Okay.
Okay.
You see 2 multiplus.
Okay.
But inside the setting,
Yeah.
I have make 1 multiplus.
Oh, it just looks
of
like
10,
one.
Yes, of 10 kilowatts.
Okay. I understand.
That's why
Like a
at this
stuff.
moment, he say, "Oh, I have a problem."
Okay.
But you can't work with just one.
I
You
see.
need to have the 2.
Okay.
That's why. But now he check and he restart. Okay. That can be the problem on 230. If you come and you make a material, you come and stop,
Yeah.
you need to restart here.
Okay.
You
So
can't buy the panel.
if one of the multipluses fails,
You call me.
okay.
Because if you want, that's what I am going to make on your boat. I make a connection under your Starlink and the Serbo GX for
Yeah.
the 24 volts.
Yeah.
And I can change setting completely.
Okay. So we can
If you
run
say
limited off one.
I have a problem with 1 multiplus. I
Yeah.
come on the setting. I say we don't have 2, we have 1, and it can restart.
Okay.
And it's take me 5 minutes.
Okay. Perfect.
Like
Okay.
remote control is.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's very simple.
Great.
That's why I can have this system. I can work at distance
Yeah. Okay.
with no problem. Okay.
Great. Great.
You can make little weight on the batteries
Okay.
because we have make a special support here. That's
I
when you
see.
make material to don't break these parts.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Sounds good.
But you have seen me. I come on,
Yeah.
you can make material.
Okay.
But yes, if you can make material here and not enter this space.
Yeah, I'll make sure that's clear. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Sounds good.
Up. And when you're selling completely full clothes, to be sure you don't have your cell will come or other parts.
Right.
If it's fixed, no problem.
Okay.
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 Have you a question on this part?
I have 1,000 questions. I just don't know what my questions are yet. But I think the main answer is call you.
Yeah, clearly. Yes. But the system is very simple.
Yeah.
You don't need to come here.
Yeah. Yeah.
Just here. I don't know if you see this with Julian. No.
I think excuse me. I think Oogie showed me the
Okay.
water system.
Because if you want here, you have the selection. If this pump was burning,
Yeah.
you have the number 2 to work,
Right.
and just need to
Flip this switch.
to flip this this valve
Yeah.
and check if its valve was all time open, because that's where you take the water on your tank.
Understood. Okay.
Okay.
The where's the seawater pump? Is that in the bilge?
No, she was on c'est à port side, hein? On port side.
Port side. Okay.
Yeah. And if you want that, the pipe will come here.
Oh, I see. Yeah. Into
Yeah,
here.
and you have the selection.
Yeah.
Here you are in seawater mode.
I don't think so. Because I was pressure washing the other day, and I had
Yeah.
to try to figure out which is
Okay.
which. So
But
that would actually be nice to label too, because
Yeah.
right now it's fresh water.
It's on fresh water. Huh?
It is.
Okay.
But it took me a while to figure that out.
Okay. And then we have made a special piece here to don't have a return of seawater inside.
Oh, this is a one-way valve?
Yeah.
Uh,
Yes, because if you want, when you are in the limit of the 2 position,
right.
you can have a little of water.
Squirt.
And
Yeah,
we
yeah.
don't put salt water on your boat,
Perfect.
on your fresh water.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Great.
Ben on laisse ouvert comme ça. Je ferai une.
Pas de problème.
I stay open to take a video for a client for Tana.
Sure.
He wants the same system of yours.
Yeah. Is Chris and Christy going with 4 or 8 batteries or 6?
It's not.
I say I prefer to make 8,
Yeah.
but I don't know if he take 8.
Yeah.
Takes 6. And
But I
2
have 2
more.
in spare.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. But I think 8 is good because you have the climatization
Oh yeah. Right. Yeah.
and air conditioning.
Yes,
is taking.
he has air conditioning.
Oh, il l'a pris.
Chris? Okay. Yes. I made a quotation for this.
Oh, you did. Yeah.
I just
Oh,
have
okay.
to have the reply.
We have the lithium batteries.
Yep.
You have all of the number series,
Mm.
and same for the BMS and the Lanx distributor is the box where you have the fuse.
Yeah.
Okay.
Understood. Yeah.
Qu'est-ce que t'avais mis? Fonction. Ah mais tu l'as fait il est en français là.
Il y a une partie en français? Non. Non, j'avais tout mis en anglais.
Fonctionnement.
Ah ouais, la partie, oui.
Okay. That's to say if it's running correctly or not.
Yes. Okay.
We okay. And tension at this moment. I have to check the tension. You see? We have the return.
Oh yeah.
The
faults.
the
Yeah.
first step where I have disconnect the little cable for the
Right.
batteries,
Yeah.
and it say warming cell, and low batteries for the multiplus.
Okay.
And after, except device error, that's when I have stopped the second multiplus.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Just
I
need to
understand.
come here, validate,
Yeah.
and it's finished.
So that clears those messages.
Yeah.
Okay.
And if you see, it's inverting again. All was good. Okay?
So if I clear those messages, can you still see them if you log in?
Yeah, I have the historic.
The history. Okay.
Ok. Donc là, on est bon et on est à 80%. On a 26,8.
26,8 là?
Oui. 26.8.
I'm just going to have you repeat yourself for the video, but
Yeah.
but for the water maker,
Mm-hmm.
it's plumbed in the back here, like the through holes are there,
Mm-hmm.
and we should go 24 volt water maker.
Yeah.
Okay. Perfect.
Yes. More simply for you.
Yeah.
More simply for you, and you don't lose power.
Right.
Up. Okay. What we can do is start the explaining of the boat and check part by part after. Okay?
Okay. Sounds great.
Okay? Perfect.
That's right.
Thank you.
Yeah.
That was me.
Hein?
Le détecteur de fumée.
Oui.
Ah,
c'est
d'accord,
juste
ok.
que tu me l'as dit.
Ok. Hop, je prends juste mes lunettes.
C'est dans celui-là? This one?
We start by the shore. We come on the boat.
Okay.
See where the current go.
Yeah, perfect.
Side by side.
Excellent.
J'en profite pour aller voir Gaëtan vite fait. Je
Ouais,
reviens.
pas de soucis.
Merci.
We have made for you these two adapters, okay? The first is if you have a poor shore, okay? Very, very low shore, 6 amps or 10 amps.
Okay.
It go at 16, okay? But if you go in a big marina, you can connect this adapter in Europe,
Okay.
okay?
Okay.
And when you return on US, you have
Ah.
directly in US mode.
Perfect. Okay. So why are you using this smaller one here? Is it lower amperage?
Yes, that's when the amps was very low. Look like here, you have just 6 or 10 amps.
Okay.
But that's, because at La Rochelle, I don't like to keep
Use a lot of power,
to
okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's crazy.
Yeah.
Okay, you connect. It's possible you have a rearm
Okay.
to remake the power on the boat.
Yeah.
And here you can see a special C with a 10, a 6 or a 6. Here you have 16, C16.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
That's what you can set on the boat after.
Ah, okay. Does the 16 mean the amps, or what does the 16 mean?
16 amps.
16
And
amps.
16 amps. That's
Okay.
you can use completely 16 amps for your boat at this moment.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
That's what we're going to set.
Okay. Perfect.
After you make your grid on your boat, but before, what you can do is coming at the short table and set here. Up on the menu, you come on Multiplus and say up. I can
Okay.
make up. We don't make 16, but
Yeah. Okay.
make 15.
Yeah.
And now I know when I go to connect my boat, I don't take more about 15.
Right. And you trip the breaker otherwise.
About
right?
the shore.
Right.
Okay?
Okay.
About the shore. Up. I connect my boat. And I look like this. Okay,
Yeah.
very important to look like this.
Okay.
To have a very good étanchéité on your outlet. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
And now, if the power come, up. I think it's okay. I'm on the grid.
There we go.
Okay.
Yeah.
And I charge very quickly
Whoa.
my batteries. Okay. It's normal. Huh? You can have 200 amps by the shore. Because the Multiplus have 100 on the master and 100 on the slave.
Okay.
Okay, that's why you can have a more good charge with the shore. It can be more quickly.
So I guess it's the voltage. Like, how am I getting 150 amps out of a 16 amp circuit? Like, I'm limited to 16 amps from the
Yes.
shore.
Yes, but here we are on DC and here we are on AC.
Okay.
Okay? But now, what I want to see you, your cooking plate take more about
Okay.
16.
Right. Okay.
What is the solution when you're cooking on the grid? You're going to see. I can take.
You want a pot and pan?
Yeah,
Yeah.
to make water and up.
You want more? Or...
We can have yes.
Okay.
We start by one. Up. And we make on boost. Okay?
Okay.
And now you see. You take for 4,000
Mm-hmm.
and we are okay, we limited the charge
Right.
and we regulate. Okay.
Mhm.
But if I make a second, I stay for a moment. Up. And the charge will turn on my batteries. Okay.
Right. I see that. Yeah.
Up. But if I make 2 in boost, we take more.
Oh, now we're taking from the batteries.
And we take on the batteries
Okay.
to give you the power.
Yeah. Perfect.
That's what we call the smart assist. You say I assisting the grid to don't have the breaker off,
Right. Yeah.
but give you the power with what you need.
Yeah. Perfect. Yeah.
Okay?
And I can go up to 10,000 watts with the 2 inverters,
You can have
with the 2
10
multiplus. Yeah.
plus the 16 amps.
Plus the 16 from the shore.
Yes.
Ah. Okay.
Okay. But if you see when you regulate, it stops the assisting
Oh yeah.
and we turn on charge mode.
Yeah.
Okay, that's completely automatic. But the first step is set the shore correctly
Right.
to can use the power on the shore
Yeah.
and be okay with the rest. Okay?
Okay. Now is it? So I was using no shore power this week.
Yeah.
None at all. Is it better to use shore power or the solar when I'm at a marina? Like, is it better for the equipment?
If you
or-
want, you don't take cycle on the batteries when you're on shore.
Okay. It's just going to the inverters and
Yes, exactly. That's why.
so maybe shore is
You
healthier.
stay at 100%, but for the moment it's good because you test your system
Right.
and you know your system more quickly.
Right. Yeah.
That's why I like your intention when you work without your grid,
Yeah. Okay.
because you test your boat.
Right. Okay. Very
Okay.
good. Yeah.
I prefer you test your boat and you say me I have a problem, I don't understand what it pass on my boat, and I come. Prefer look at this about you call me and you are in Mediterranean
Yeah. Exactly. Yeah.
and you have a big problem.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's why it's more simply for me to explain you, and you test your boat, and we
Yeah.
are sure you are okay with your boat.
Perfect. Perfect.
But you see, assisting is very, very simple. If you want, that's the association of the power of the shore plus the 10 kilowatts of your inverter.
Okay.
Okay.
So I asked you this the other day, and I think you answered my question, but I'm going to ask again. Can the inverters be split? Like if I don't want to heat water, like if I'm off the grid, I'm in the
You can
Bahamas
stop
or something.
If you want to stop the inverter, you can by here. You go if you want. When you have a little icon look like this,
Yeah.
you come here, and it give you
Okay. Okay.
okay. If I make we make on charger only.
Yeah.
Okay. When I set charger only on your boat, I say I just want to charge.
Yeah.
I lose the assist.
Okay.
Okay. I stay just if you want your multiplus is look like a contactor now.
I understand. Okay.
But if I remake on mode, I take all option of the multiplus. But charger only is when you are not on your boat,
I see.
because if the grid stop, the system stop,
Okay.
and you don't take power on the batteries.
Okay.
You stay with the charge of the solar, but you stop the consumption of the inverter.
But that doesn't stop things like bilge pumps or anything from
No.
working, right?
That's why I have made this system. The bilge pump stay on the gel batteries.
on the 12. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
We stay all time with the safety mode.
Okay.
Okay?
And will the lithium system continue to charge the house batteries?
Yes.
Okay.
That's why the solar charge the bank,
Yeah.
but the bank can charge your gel batteries during
Okay.
very
So
long
far
time.
sounds good.
Yeah.
But if I wanted to just shut off certain things, like
Mhm.
I'm really limiting my power and I want to turn off the hot water tank or I want to turn off, just certain things, the washing machine or whatever. Can I just turn off certain things? Like I understood that some systems are set up so if your batteries get to 50%, you don't heat water, or like is there two different circuits or branches where I can turn one off?
We can't do this because we need a tension presence. If you want, at this moment, all of your boat was on the out one of the Multiplus. The out one is the inverter mode.
Yeah. Okay.
And you have out two, what I have made in place on your boat.
Yeah.
And on this out two, she working when she sees a shore.
Ah, okay.
But for the moment, you have nothing connected on this cable.
I see. Okay.
And that's what you can change in the future. If you see it's you have so consumption with the climatization, and you just want to use on the shore.
Shore power.
Shore
I put
power.
that on line 2.
Line 2, yes.
Oh, okay.
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 But I have make on spare mode inside, and it's connect directly on the front.
Okay.
You just need to make a breaker.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Very
So
simple.
the cable is there, is what you're saying. Yeah. Okay. Great.
Great. Understand for the short system?
I think so. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. We charge your battery for the moment.
Yeah.
We stay look like this.
Yeah.
Okay. We continue by here.
Should we get in or just?
You can go in, yes.
Yeah. Okay.
And I stay here.
All right. Okay.
Up. We explain the material and we we explain part by part after.
Okay. Sounds great.
Hop. Alors, we have the auto transformer.
Yeah.
To transform 230 in 110 on your boat directly.
Okay.
If you want the grid, go directly on the Multiplus, and the Multiplus come here to alimentate the box 110. And the box 230 is alimented directly with the Multiplus.
Okay, do that one more time. So the shore power goes directly to the batteries?
To the Multiplus.
To the Multiplus,
Yes.
which charge the batteries. And then from the batteries it comes here, or from the Multiplus?
The Multiplus return here
Multiplus, okay, yeah.
to change the 230 in 110.
Okay,
To have the alimentation on the
110.
outlets, boiler,
Yeah.
and USB.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay,
And after we have the power of 230.
that's this
Yes.
breaker box. Okay.
This breaker box where you have the other outlets 230,
Okay.
the TV and the oven and a cooking plate.
Yeah. Okay.
And that we have made place. If you want to make the climatization, you have the spare parts
I
completely
see.
here.
Okay. Okay.
And the out number 2 is in waiting time inside.
Ah. Okay.
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 That's why if you see the consumption of the climatization is so big,
Yeah.
you can make an out number 2.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Perfect.
Okay.
And the capacity of the auto transformer?
32 amps.
32. Oh yeah, it's
Yeah.
right there. Yeah.
Okay.
32 amps. Okay.
And on the side here, you have a special switch.
Yeah.
If the 24 volt system is completely locked,
Yeah.
and you can't have 110 on the boat,
Yeah.
you just need to turn on FP mode.
Yeah.
And start at the panel the Multiplus 110, and you be back with the old system.
Okay. So you'll have to show me then how to switch the Multiplus to 110.
No problem.
Yeah. Okay.
But very simple. Just need to turn here in FP mode.
Okay.
It's stopping completely my system.
Okay.
And you pass with the old Multiplus.
Okay.
Okay.
Is there any on-off switches besides like the breakers here and what's on the auto transformer?
You just need
Like-
to stay all
Like
time
there's no
on.
like main battery switches or
And
anything.
if you want about this auto transformer, I have make after the multiplus because it's you have a very big condensator inside,
Okay.
and it take many power on the shore. And on other boat, when we rearm this auto transformer, it stops the shore all time.
Oh, really? Okay.
That's why I have make after the multiplus to be sure we never stop the shore.
Okay.
Okay, and you have your galvanic isolator
Yeah.
to protect your earth on your boat.
Okay.
If you want, if we have a little current on the earth, it can go out, but don't come on.
Ah, okay.
Okay,
Okay.
That's a special diode inside.
Okay.
If you see, that's your new alternator master volt.
Right. Yeah.
1 and 10 amps. We have just used one. If you want, we have used this model because that's special for Volvo.
Okay.
That's why you have 2 plus, but we use one.
Okay.
Yeah, because you have just one bank of 24 volts. And when you see, you have the cable of dialogue here
Yeah.
for the temperature of your alternator. Here we have take the RPM
Okay.
on the alternator to can regulate at 1000 RPM to start the
Right.
alternator.
Okay. Okay. You said this was temperature. Is that what you said?
No, that's this little cable. It's
Oh.
inside this box.
Okay.
If you see, it's here. The sound of temperature is inside.
Okay.
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 And after we have this little wire. The brown
Yeah.
is to have the excitation of the alternator. But it was regulated by the BMS in first time and by the contact Volvo
Okay.
to don't have the alternator all time on.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
That's these two box. You have one box for BMS on
Yeah.
the top
Yeah.
and one box for alternator just under.
Yeah.
And that's where you have a special contactor to can stop if we have a problem with the BMS and start when we have the Volvo system.
Okay.
Because if you see here, just here,
Yeah.
you have that's the regulator of your alternator.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, and you see here we have no LED. It's completely off.
Right.
But if you turn on your engine,
Yeah.
it starts automatically, and we have take the information by Volvo.
Okay.
You can start this little box when the engine was on.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm not really clear what you were saying these were
If
for.
you want,
though.
I'm going to see you on the schematics
Okay.
after lunch. Okay.
Yep. Sounds good.
And just to finish at this side, you
Yeah.
have your Lynx distributor here, and that's
Yeah.
where you can come to take a 24 volt system.
Ah.
If you
Okay.
need to make a connection, you can come in. this box.
Perfect. Perfect.
Okay.
Yeah. Great. Great. And then the through holes for the water maker are
Just here.
there.
Okay.
And then the exit is there. I see. Yeah.
Yeah, and you have the
Yeah.
extract here. Just after you.
Oh,
you
yeah,
have
yeah.
the MPPT.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
So there's two more on the other side, or
Yes.
Yeah.
You have 3 here.
okay.
That's because we don't want to have so many cable on one pipe.
Yeah. That's okay.
That's why we have made it like this.
Okay. And those are just inline fuses there.
Yeah, you have that's the fuse of the under the panel and the MPPT, and you have another fuse inside the Lynx DC
Okay.
to protect under the batteries and the MPPT.
Okay.
Okay.
So those fuses are between the MPPT and the solar panel.
That's if you have a problem with one panel,
Okay.
or the boom will go down and break a
Oh,
panel.
Yeah.
The fuse break directly.
Yeah. Okay.
That's to don't burn the other MPPT.
Okay.
Okay.
Understood.
Okay.
Great.
we can go at the other side.
All right. Move like an old man.
But it's the same of the front. You don't need to come here.
Yeah, well, I hope not.
Just to turn off the switch for the starter.
Right.
Just this.
Yeah. Okay.
Here
And
you have-
maybe the switch for the FP if I have a big
Yes.
problem. Okay.
It's a very big problem. I
Yeah.
think you called me before.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Up.
Great.
Up.
D'accord. Bon, bah écoute, là il est en train de faire une réception plateau avec les vidéos. Je vois ça avec une TV, on va faire un lui sur
We get in again?
Again.
Yep.
Up. I think it's more simply if you be.
Is there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. You have more place because with the batteries. That's,
Yeah, there's not room there.
No.
I've been trying to run or thinking of how to run a gas line in here. It's tight. It's tight. Yeah. You must have some little people who work for you.
Yeah, that's good. Okay. We have touched nothing on the FP system.
Okay.
We have just make a negative to charge enter the Orion. The Orion is a DC-DC.
Okay.
To charge enter the 24 volt system and the 12 volt system.
So, okay.
That's your little charger who make your batteries all time at 100%.
Where is that Orion charger?
Up.
Ah, okay. Hiding.
On the top.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, you have the two other MPPT,
Yeah, I see them. Yeah.
the DC lengths, and the Servo JX. The Orion, sorry. The Orion. Okay?
Yeah.
Donc the Orion, the little charger, and the two MPPT who work on the 24 volt system to can give you the power of the solar.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
That's the Multiplus who I have speak. The Multiplus of Fontaine Pajot is just here.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
That's the 1 and 10
Yeah.
Multiplus.
Yeah.
You have 2000 watts with this, but that's in the on the FP. Not you don't work on my system.
Yeah.
You never work on my.
So it's off right now.
Yeah.
Yeah. And if I turn that switch, this will automatically.
You don't need to come here to switch it on.
Yeah.
You just need to switch the big switch. You just need to make on FP mode.
Yeah.
And after at the chart table, you have a special panel for this Multiplus installed by FP.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
But we have touched nothing on these parts.
Okay.
Here you have your smart cruising.
Yeah.
Purchased by Fontaine.
Yeah.
Will give you all information about the first alternator,
Okay.
the alternator purchased by Volvo,
Okay.
and the charge of the Multiplus,
Which is off.
yes,
So nothing
Yes.
really.
yeah. He give you just the information of the 12 volt system.
Okay.
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 And same alternator with same configuration at this side.
Okay.
That can give you 220 amps with the two alternators at the same time.
Yeah.
Okay.
And how do the alternators communicate with each other, or do they?
They communicate by the tension. I have made the special charge of lithium on the black box,
Okay.
the little regulator.
Yeah. Yeah.
And if you want, the BMS speak just with one cable. You just say you can charge or you can't charge.
Okay.
Okay.
So that's
But
done at.
He sees the tension if you want. He speak with the tension and that's why he regulate correctly. He regulate by the tension of the batteries.
Okay. So they work independently.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
But look like a charger.
Right. Okay.
He can stay. He can be more. He can stop the charge if it's so hot because we have the temperature,
Yeah.
and he can stop if he see a very. If he sees the tension correct for the batteries, he stop automatically.
Okay.
If you want, that's an alternator, but will look like a charger.
Right. Yeah. Yeah.
He has the 3-step look like a charger.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. For some reason, I don't know. I was reading. I thought that the alternators had to talk to each other for some reason, but
If you want, we speak, but Mastervolt can't speak with Victron.
okay.
That's why I have made many security on the alternator, the system of the relay on the engine, and the system of the relay on the BMS.
Right. Okay.
You have two security on the alternator.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
For this side, we are okay.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
Let's see. And your underwater light.
Oh yeah. Yeah. For
Yeah.
sure. Important. Very important. Yeah.
Yeah. I have made this system because it's more good for both. If you want, we have just a little. We have drilled a little
Little hole.
hole on the MS.
Yeah.
But when you see the fixation, she can take more great about just a screw.
Okay.
That's why I make this system on your boat.
Okay.
More simple and very good quality.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Looks good.
We're finished on technical area.
Yep.
Donc, the two other panels pass by this pipe,
Yeah.
and we have made your pipe wave inside.
What's
Starlink?
Starlink? Oh, okay.
Starlink.
Okay.
Starlink pass by this pipe.
Okay.
Okay. More simply, and if you need to change in future, that's very simple to have the access. It pass directly on this piece
Oh, into the Traveler.
and come on the pipe
Yeah.
and be directly on the technical room.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, looks good.
Okay. At the short table, we need to open
Okay.
because you see, you have the Touch 70 to give you all information, and you have your Sailboat GX. Cable out number 2 on
Okay.
the box, and I've made spare space
Okay.
to can make breaker in the future,
Okay.
because we don't know what you can install in the future.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And for the water maker, we have made the true hole
Yeah.
with the valve,
Yeah.
and same for the reject, and the power can be taken on the DC lengths
Yeah.
directly. We
Okay.
have the 24 volts.
Okay. If I wanted to maybe do a 24 volt air conditioner, could I? Is there room on that DC links to connect there, or would I have to
What?
add another
You can make you can add another.
DC
Yeah,
links beside
yeah,
it? Okay.
More simply.
So there's no room right now for
No,
water maker and
Yes.
air. Okay.
but that's a good idea to make another DC lengths.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
And there would be capacity to run both at the same time.
Yes.
Yeah.
Actually, yes. No problem with this.
Okay.
Washing machine. You have tested?
Yeah. Many
yes?
times. Yeah. Works
Many
good.
times.
Yeah.
Okay. Perfect. The Starlink. Cooking fridge.
Cooking fridge. Is that this?
Yes.
This one.
Yeah.
Pourquoi cooking?
Just I don't know. It was on the quote.
I think they would call this a bar fridge.
Ah,
It's
yeah.
for drinks
Yeah,
to the
it's-
bar.
Yeah. It's better. It's better.
Look like the password.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Beer fridge.
Yes.
Beer fridge.
So, wait, beer fridge is perfect.
Yeah.
Okay, underwater light you have test?
Yeah.
Yes.
Works good. Yeah.
Looks good. Okay. Up. Smart solar panels. We have tests. We are okay.
Yeah. What do you think? realistically I should expect from those solar panels for output?
Two?
Like I won't get, 2,200 watts. I won't get what their rate, what was it, 5 times, yeah. I won't get over 2,000 watts, I don't think, but what do you think I should get normally?
You want to know the productivity of the
Yeah,
panel?
expected, like what I can expect to get for productivity.
Ah,
C'est quoi ça?
la production réelle par rapport à 2100, combien on pourrait avoir en vrai?
C'est 40% of the normally. But I don't know really because they give me many information about the panel, and they say the efficiency is at 40% or 45.
Ouais, between 40 and 50.
I'm getting more than that now though.
Yes.
Right.
Okay.
I think that they give bad information.
So people are happy.
Yeah.
Yeah. I want to know because if in the future I see it's below expect, then I know something's wrong, right? Like I want to know where I should become concerned and when that's just normal.
It's difficult.
Yeah.
It's really...
If you want, that's a new model we have taken for your boat because we know it's working good. We don't have many return about these panels yet. But we see you have more good system about Darine.
More. Sorry.
Darine, I have make other panels full black.
Okay.
And many not a good tension. And if you want, you start very at 10 or at 11.
Okay.
And with your system, we start very quickly.
Right. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's why I have take this model.
Okay.
The tension is very high. That's why we start very faster.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
About another the P6 of Sun Power start very at 10 or 11, but very hard.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah, when it start.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Tac. Donc ça c'était les panneaux solaires. Ok. Tension délivrée. C'est 26,8. 26.8. 8. Up, and the additional outlet. Do you have tested the outlet on the bathroom?
With the air dryer.
So yes.
And?
Small problem.
Ah.
Okay.
So North American plugs have a wider.
I understand.
One of the tongues is fatter, and it
Okay.
won't fit in there.
Okay.
Okay.
More simply to make two. Ce qu'on pourrait faire,
Ouais, on met
two outlets in one antenne.
at the place.
Normal.
Can you do that?
Yes,
Yeah.
no problem.
Okay.
You can change. Yes.
Yeah. I think that would be better.
But no problem.
That's because we have this on stock, and I say in US they have this, but
Well, it's nice to have the 230 there.
Yeah.
Yes,
But- I think
Or you can have. On en a des 230.
on peut mettre une 230, une 110.
Ah mais on n'a pas de 230.
Ah oui, donc non 210 alors.
On a 230 pas long. Non.
Ça va être compliqué.
Ah non, we can just have. C'est quoi là, c'est du 110
C'est
finalement?
110 alors.
We can, what you prefer, one antenne or two?
you know what? My wife is back next week. Can I ask
We check
her?
with-
And
Yeah.
because right now she goes into the bedroom
I make
to
this
dry her
remark.
hair,
Ok.
but I'll ask her what she wants to do.
We change when she come back.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah,
no problem.
perfect. Yeah.
We can.
What?
Yes, sir.
So for Chris and Christy, you're just going with a regular 110 outlet there, right?
In the bathroom?
Yeah.
But we propose the same as you,
Yeah.
but I think we will propose only 110.
Yeah.
I think it will be better.
Yeah.
I have make on missing parts,
Oh, okay.
replacement of the outlets. Okay,
Let's say possibly, maybe,
maybe.
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 Yeah. There we go. Yeah.
Okay, and the other outlets? tested
I
all?
didn't test this one.
Yes.
We have tested this because
You
I
have?
have made my computer.
Oh yeah, yeah. Okay, perfect. Yeah.
Donc ça c'était la outside locker. Ok. Bathroom. Depending about this.
Yeah.
TV.
Yeah.
That's on. On avait mis l'inter sur quoi déjà?
The switch is for the TV and Apple TV.
TV and Apple TV.
Yes.
Yeah. Or just for the Apple TV. I don't
think
remember.
it's just so. There's 3 plugs back there.
Yes, you are only
It's
two.
1.
Yeah.
Oh, 2.
What, I think it's 2.
Non.
T'as
Non,
deux.
c'est sur une. C'est sur une.
C'est sur une?
I think we have speak about stop the Apple TV.
Je crois
but
que lui
not
avait
the
fait
rest.
2. Hein. Je crois que lui avait fait 2.
I check with Hugues.
Okay.
I think it's 2.
Is the Starlink on one of those plugs?
Sorry?
Is the Starlink on one of those 3 plugs?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So I can
Oui.
move them around, right?
If you want to switch off the Starlink, yes,
Right,
you can. You
okay,
can. Yes, yes,
okay.
yes.
Sur le bac
And
de-
could I
oui,
put, like, if I wanted to turn off
Des twins.
everything,
Yes.
could I put
Le bateau
all
que Hugues a
3
fait.
devices in one
Pourquoi?
plug with like a
Pourquoi?
splitter or a bar?
Yes, you can do this. Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Because it's not.
It's not a high demand,
yes,
right?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Exactly, exactly.
Okay.
Yes.
Then whatever's there is fine. I can figure it out. And
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
But it's difficult to have the switch for the 3 plugs because if you want to maintain one,
right.
it's yes.
No,
it's
no, no.
difficult.
Yeah.
So okay, but I will check. I think it's 2 plugs for the switch.
the switch.
Yes, not only one, but we will see.
Okay.
Ah, tu leur dis de venir tout de suite. Ah putain.